Oh boy, I sure do love uploading devlogs on YouTube so that the viewers can see my progress on my games. Wait, let me first check out my last video. Wait, it has been a fucking month. Sup there people, I'm back again in another devlog of my game The Storm in My Head. That's what I fucking call it now. To give you a bit of a recap, my PC broke. Why do I sound like chills?
Nice buy.
So my PC broke, leaving me without nothing. So I had to restart the game from scratch. And that's what I did. I started it in quarantine, and I've been slowly working on it. Nonetheless, it has been pretty fun. So, here's an epic recap. Better, more planned out levels. A fucking elevator. New NPCs to interact with.
Pizza time, pizza time, pizza time.
Which means a dialogue system. Post-processing. I'll be trying my best to finish the game this month, so expect some uploads during this month, probably every week or every few days if I'm feeling it. It's a bit of a challenge considering that the scope of the game right now is pretty big and I still haven't gotten that much done yet, so I'll be having to kind of grind my way this month. First thing that I did was to improve the way the elevator worked and to draw a line between each floor's position, and you can clearly see that right here. Next thing that I did was to improve the grappling or the web zipping. So before you had to position your mouse on a web in order to be able to grapple to it. And to be honest, I wasn't a very big fan of that. So what I did was, if the player is not positioning his mouse on a web and he presses the web zipping button, he will grapple to the closest web. And if he does, he will grapple to the selected web. Next up, I decided to expand on a dialogue graph that I definitely did not copy from
Mert Kirimgeri.
And I'm not gonna lie, at first it was terrible. I had no idea what I was doing. But after just a bit of smashing my head on the keyboard, I managed to do this. I've added 2 new fields to each dialogue node, and they're saving and loading correctly, which is epic. As if right now I've been working on rewriting the lore and making sure that everything makes sense, because I sort of want a deep lore to the main character and I want the player to be able to explore that and be able to relate to the main character. So I've been making sure that everything is in place so I can start with the dialogues and writing all the stuff that I need to write, and also so I can design the next levels according to the lore. As I said in my previous video, the one that I uploaded 10 months ago, the game's still gonna have multiple endings, and I want the player to have multiple choices and watch the story unfold in front of him and be a part of the main character's feelings and mental state. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'm sorry if it was too short for you. I actually don't fucking care. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to do all the fucking YouTube-y stuff, like and subscribe to watch the next one. It's gonna be hopefully uploaded soon, cause I'm feeling motivated these days and I really wanna finish the game this month. So yeah, I think I'm supposed to put a fucking funny meme. So yeah, here we go.
ダメだねダメよダメなのよあんたが好きで好きすぎてどれだけ